If mild steel has not been properly cleaned of grease or correctly primed, the paint that is applied to it will often not adhere to it. Because the paint is not sticking to the metal, water can find its way in and sit between the paint and the metal surface. On mild steel, this will cause rusting very quickly and needs to be repaired as soon as possible to save the metal. The best way to deal with the problem is to remove all of the old paint and to repaint the metal. If you're dealing with a large gate or fence, this could be a little impractical, presenting you with an enormous amount of work. Alternatively, you can scrape away the peeling paint that you can see and lightly feather the edges with sandpaper before doing the repair. Go over the entire surface, checking carefully to ensure that a damaged section has not been missed. Paint that is peeling away from the surface will allow water to make contact with the surface. If it sits under the paint, the water will cause the steel to rust. If there's any rust on the metal, apply a rust remover to get rid of it. For inaccessible areas, apply end rust. This will turn black once the product has reacted with the rust. Grease will prevent the paint from bonding to the metal. Use a degreaser to remove any grease from the surface. Once the preparation is done, a primer can be applied to the metal. Traditionally, metal primers have been oil-based, and so cleanup had to be done with terps. And like all oil-based paints, they need at least 16 hours to dry. There are new water-based primers on the market. They're especially effective in humid and polluted areas, providing the same protection that you'd get from oil-based products. Being water-based, cleanup at the end of the day is easy. The primer will bond to the metal and create a waterproof barrier. If it has been painted before, only the exposed metal, which was caused by chipping away damaged paint, needs to be primed. Once the primer is dry, apply an undercoat. Again, it's only necessary to cover the area of repair. The next step is to apply the first top coat. As with the primers, enamels have traditionally been oil-based. Here too, there's a big swing towards water-based enamel top coats for metals. Plascon's Wall and All is designed for use on suitably primed metals as well as walls. It's water-based, so drying time is quite fast and cleanup is with water. Velvaglow is great to use on metals. It contains a built-in undercoat, so you can cut out the undercoat step by using Velvaglow. Now, Velvaglow is oil-based, but having the built-in undercoat is a great advantage. In addition, Velvaglow has a gelled consistency, giving it non-drip characteristics. A handy hint when using Velvaglow is to brush or roll quite vigorously during application. This breaks the gel. During the drying time, the gel reforms and removes brush and roller patterns, giving it a very smooth and professional finish. The second coat always goes on much faster than the first and will provide the protection that you're looking for. Mild steel in its unpainted state has no protection against the elements. It's going to rust very quickly. A good primer and top coat product will protect mild steel fences and gates to keep them rust-free for a long time. If you have any further questions, call the Plascon helpline or have a chat to your local Plascon dealer.